Have you ever wondered what an operating system is and why it's so important? Well, you're in for a treat. An operating system, oftentimes abbreviated as OS, is the lifeblood of your devices. It's the unseen hero, the unsung melody, the invisible wizard behind the curtain that makes your laptops, smartphones, tablets, and even smartwatches tick. Welcome to the Data Lab Work Channel. Imagine your device as a bustling city. We are delving into learning on how the city is running by several people. The operating system is the mayor, overseeing everything, making sure all parts are working together harmoniously. Whether it's Windows on your PC, macOS on your MacBook, Android on your smartphone, or iOS on your iPhone, the operating system is the mastermind that coordinates all the software and hardware on your device. It's the backbone, the central nervous system, if you will, of any device that you use. It's what makes your digital world function. So buckle up as we dive into the world of operating systems. But first, what exactly is an operating system? Let's break it down into bite-sized chunks, shall we? Picture an orchestra where every instrument has a role to play. Now, imagine a conductor guiding these instruments, ensuring they work in harmony to create a beautiful symphony. In the world of computers, an operating system, or OS, is that conductor. An operating system is essentially a software program, the grand maestro if you will, that manages and controls the hardware components of a computer. It acts as the intermediary between the user and the machine, translating the user's commands into a language the hardware can understand and respond to. It's like a translator, facilitating a conversation between you and your device. But that's not all an operating system does. It also manages the system's memory, making sure each application has enough room to perform its tasks. Imagine a busy kitchen where the chef is the operating system, efficiently assigning counter space and oven time to whip up a multi-course meal. Furthermore, an operating system takes charge of all the processes running on your device. It decides which tasks get priority and when they should run. It's like a traffic controller at a bustling intersection, directing the flow of cars to prevent crashes and maintain smooth traffic. The operating system also oversees all of the software and hardware on your computer. It manages input and output devices, ensures file systems are orderly, and keeps security checks in place. In other words, an operating system is like the manager of a bustling city, keeping everything running smoothly and efficiently. So, an operating system is not just a software program, it's a vital component that breathes life into your device, allowing you to interact with it, run applications, and perform tasks. Without an operating system, a computer would be like a car without an engine, a body without a brain, a symphony without a conductor. In essence, an operating system is like the brain of your device. It's the central hub that manages, controls, and coordinates everything, ensuring your device works seamlessly and efficiently. So the next time you switch on your device, remember the unseen maestro conducting the symphony of operations that allows you to browse, work, play, and create. You may be more familiar with operating systems than you think. Now let's delve into some examples of popular operating systems you encounter in your daily life. First up is Windows, developed by Microsoft. This operating system is most commonly found on personal computers and laptops. It's known for its user-friendly interface and wide compatibility with various hardware and software. From professionals to students, it's loved by many for its versatility. Next, we have macOS, the brainchild of Apple. This operating system powers Apple's range of desktops and laptops, such as the MacBook and iMac. Known for its sleek design and seamless integration with other Apple devices, macOS offers a smooth, intuitive user experience. On the mobile front, we have Android, developed by Google. This operating system is predominantly found on a plethora of smartphones and tablets from various manufacturers. Android is celebrated for its open-source nature, allowing for high customization and a broad range of apps. Let's not forget iOS, another product from Apple. This operating system is exclusive to Apple's mobile devices like the iPhone and iPad. iOS is appreciated for its security, ease of use, and the cohesive ecosystem it creates with other Apple devices and services. Finally, we have Linux. This operating system is often employed in servers and supercomputers, but it also runs on desktops and laptops. Linux is open source, meaning its code is freely available for anyone to view, modify, and distribute. This results in a vast variety of distros or distributions, each offering unique features and configurations. So there you have it, a brief tour of some of the most common operating systems around us. Each of these has its own strengths and is tailored for different types of devices and user needs. From the computer at your office, the smartphone in your pocket, to the tablet on your coffee table, these operating systems keep our digital world running smoothly. Chances are you're using at least one of these operating systems right now. Now let's explore what an operating system does. Imagine you're the conductor of a grand symphony orchestra, where each musician is a different piece of hardware in your computer. In this scenario, the operating system is your sheet music. It orchestrates the performance, ensuring every instrument plays in harmony. One of the key functions of an operating system is to manage hardware resources. It communicates with hardware components like your keyboard, mouse, and printer, and allocates resources like memory and processing power where they're needed. Next, think of the operating system as a translator. You, the user, speak human language, while your computer understands only binary language. The operating system acts as an interpreter, translating your commands into a language the computer can comprehend. This function is known as providing a user interface. Every time you click an icon, type on your keyboard, or tap your smartphone screen, you're interacting with the user interface of an operating system. Now let's talk about security. Imagine the operating system as a diligent security guard. It's always on the lookout for suspicious activity, protecting your precious data from viruses and malware. The operating system maintains system security by controlling access to the computer. It manages user accounts, administrative rights, and ensures that unauthorized users and software don't gain access to the system. In essence, the operating system is the unsung hero of your device. It seamlessly handles complex tasks behind the scenes, allowing you to interact with your device in a simple and intuitive way. It manages resources, facilitates interaction, and maintains security, all while staying virtually invisible to the user. Without an operating system, using your device would be a lot like trying to navigate a city without a map. You wouldn't know where to go, how to get there, or how to protect yourself along the way. The operating system provides that map, guiding you through the complex world of computing. Why are operating systems so critical? Now that's a question worth pondering. You might think of an operating system as the invisible genie that makes our devices work, and you wouldn't be far off the mark. Operating systems are the unsung heroes of our digital world. They act as the bridge between the hardware and the software, making sure that everything works in harmony. Without an operating system, our devices would be nothing more than expensive paperweights. Imagine for a moment you're a conductor of a grand orchestra. The musicians are your hardware. Each plays a different instrument, each integral to the symphony. The music sheet, that's your software, a set of instructions to be followed. Now, who ensures that the musicians follow the music sheet correctly, that they start and stop at the right time, and play in harmony? That's you, the conductor, or in our case, the operating system. An operating system manages and coordinates tasks, making sure that everything runs smoothly. It decides which tasks get priority, when they start, when they stop, and how much resources they get. It's a tireless taskmaster, working round the clock to keep your device running. But it's not just about managing tasks and resources. Operating systems also provide a user-friendly interface, making it easier for us to interact with our devices. Whether it's the familiar start menu on your Windows PC, the slick touch interface on your Android phone, or the intuitive gestures on your MacBook, these are all gifts from the operating system. The operating system is the heart and soul of our devices. It brings together the hardware and the software, makes them work in harmony, and gives us a seamless, user-friendly experience. Without it, we'd be lost in a sea of code, unable to make sense of our devices. So the next time you power up your device, take a moment to appreciate the magic that is the operating system. It's working tirelessly behind the scenes, making your digital life possible. Operating systems are indeed the unsung heroes of our digital lives. So, to wrap things up, we've taken a deep dive into the world of operating systems today. We have understood that an operating system isn't just a fancy interface on our devices, but it's the very lifeblood that makes our machines tick. From managing hardware resources to running applications, it's the silent force that keeps the cogs turning. We've looked at the wide variety of operating systems that exist, each with its unique features and capabilities. Whether it's Windows, macOS, Android, iOS, or Linux, each one has a crucial role in making our everyday digital experiences seamless and intuitive. In essence, an operating system is the backbone of our devices, the unsung hero that does its job quietly in the background, away from the limelight. It's the brain that directs every operation, every click, every swipe, every command. Next time you power up your device, remember the crucial role that the operating system plays. It truly is the brain behind the operations. Thank you for watching the video. If you enjoyed the video, kindly hit the like button. If not already subscribed to my channel, consider subscribing by hitting the subscribe button. Hit the notification bell to get all the updates whenever a new video is uploaded.